So the way of doing this question is that we need to solve this bracket first. So
Yes, ma'am.
how we will be solving this bracket? Minus 45 plus minus 2. So if you open the bracket, it is plus and minus will be minus. So plus and minus should be minus. Now if you look at minus 45 minus 2, what does it mean? We need to add 45 and 2 and the sign will be minus. So minus 47 divided by minus 47. So if I divide a number by itself, so what should we get? We should get 1. So final answer of this question is 1. So
Yes,
what is the way of doing it? So please pay attention. Plus minus is minus. Minus 45 minus 2, that will be making minus 47. And if I divide minus 47 with minus 47, then I am getting 1.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so of the same pattern, I am giving you another question. Let's try together. So this is basically integers. Like if I write minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So first thing which you have to do is to solve the bracket. Please solve the bracket first and then come up with the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Samraj.
I think the answer will be one, ma'am.
Answer will be 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us check. So first of all, we will be solving this bracket.
Yes,
Minus 6 plus 5 divided by
minus six.
minus 2 plus 1. So when we solve this bracket, minus 6 plus 5 will be minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
And when I solve minus 2 plus 1, it is again minus 1. So Samraj, you are absolutely correct. If I divide the number by itself, then I will get 1. Very good. Rakshita, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am putting another question so that we can try next time. Okay, so please give it a try. So should I tell you how to solve?
Ma'am, I solved the first bracket, that is coming plus 8. Ma'am, but
Excellent, excellent, excellent. So when you solve the first bracket, minus and minus will get cancelled. So you are correct. You can get 8 divided by minus 2. Yes, Rakshita.
ma'am, it will be 4.
See, it
My
will minus 4. Okay, so there is plus sign and minus sign, and when we divide it, we will be getting minus sign. And if I divide 8 by 2, then it is 4 with a minus sign.
Okay, ma'am.
but I think 8 will be with minus sign too.
No, see, minus 48, when you divide minus 48 by minus 6, then this minus and minus sign will get cancelled. So you will be getting positive 8. Okay. Okay, so I'm giving you next sum. Okay, so please try.
I can't see your screen.
Speak again. Who is saying? So what are the answers you are getting?
Ma'am, minus 13.
You are correct. So 13.
I'm not
Yes, Rakshita. Your voice is breaking, Rakshita. Minus
bad.
minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I divide 13 by minus 1, you are correct, Samraj. The answer is minus 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am giving you a different type of pattern word problem.
Okay, ma'am.
So see, in the quiz, 3 marks are given for correct answer. So whenever a person attempt it correctly, then he got 3 marks. If the answer is wrong, -2 will be deducted. So if Sachin scored 24 marks and if he got 14 correct answers, it is given that he score correct answer 14 are the correct answer for Sachin. You need to identify how many questions are wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
So if Sachin has scored,
What, ma'am?
just a minute, Rakshita is joining, then I will explain you both whole the procedure of this question.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, so how to attempt this question? See, Sachin has scored 24 marks, that is given, and he has attempted 14 questions correctly. So marks for correct answer, we will be calculating that first. Marks for correct answers, it is 14 into 3. So it is 42 marks are given for correct answer,
Yes, ma'am.
and Sachin has scored 24 marks. How many questions are wrong? So we need to calculate how many questions are wrong. Okay, so we know that he scored 24 marks. So there should be some subtraction from this number 42.
Ma'am,
Okay,
42 is the total marks.
no, 42 is the marks for correct answer. See, he had got 14 correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So marks for correct answer is, for every question he will be getting 3 marks. So for 14 question, he will be getting 42 marks. So see, some marks are deducted because his score is 24 marks only. So how you will be doing? 24 is the score of Sachin. It is equal to correct answers marks minus, I don't know how many questions are incorrect. So let us take the number of incorrect questions are x. So for each incorrect question, he might be getting minus 2x.
Yes, ma'am.
Then after that, I will be writing it again. 24 is equal to 42 minus 2x. So if I send minus 2x to another side, it will become plus 2x. This is called rules of transposition. And if I send 24 to other side, it will be minus 24. So
Yes.
you can see 2x is equal to how much?
42.
42 minus 24.
Okay, ma'am.
So that is 18. So x is equal to 2 is in multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I divide it 18 by 2, so you can see the number of incorrect questions for Sachin is 9. So what is the final answer? Sachin has given 9 incorrect answers.
Ma'am, but what is the use of 42 here?
I will be telling you again. So see, the question says that Sachin scored 24 marks. So I have put his score here, and it is given in the question that he got 14 correct answer. So for every correct answer, he will be getting 3 marks. It is given in the question.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's say if he has attempted 14 question correctly, so he will be getting 42 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have written 42.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how many questions are wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
So I assume it that let X questions are wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
So for every wrong question, minus 2 marks will be subtracted.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have written minus 2x.
Okay, ma'am.
And if I solve it further, if I move minus 2x towards the left hand side, it will be 2x.
Yes, ma'am.
And if I move 24 to the right hand side, it will be minus 24. Then so I solve it further. Okay, so I am giving you one more question of the same type. I am giving the second part of the same question. So let's say Nalin score minus 7 marks in quiz. He got negative marks. Though he has got 9 correct आंसर्स 9 करेक्ट आंसर होने के बाद भी उसका फाइनल स्कोर तो -7 आया, नेगेटिव आया. सो
Yes.
हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर रॉन्ग?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, okay. So the way of doing it, I know the Nalin score is -7, so I will be putting it -7. I know for correct answer he will be getting 3 marks, so I multiply the correct number of answer is 9. So I multiply 3 by 9. I don't know the incorrect answer, so I am just putting it x minus 2x. So minus 2x marks will be deducted
yes, ma'am.
because of incorrect answer. So if I move minus 2x to another side, it will be plus 2x,
Yes, ma'am.
and 3 into 9 is 27. If I move minus 7 to right hand side, it will be plus 7. Now solve it and do tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be 34.
You are correct. So 2x is 34.
Ma'am, please wait. I am just writing it.
Okay.
Ma'am, then, ma'am, the 34 is the total questions were wrong.
No, no. 34 is on the right hand side. So if I 2 see Samraj, 2 is in multiplication with x. So when 2 will go to another side, it will be in division.
Okay, ma'am.
So when I further solve it, x is equal to, if I divide 34 by 2, I am getting 17 questions are done wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
So because of 17 questions are wrong and 9 questions are correct, Nalin got negative score.
Okay, ma'am.
So this type of question I am assuming will come in your test.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Okay, so should I move? Rakshita, are you able to understand this type of question better?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm giving you another word problem. ओके थोड़ा सा अब हम इंटीजर्स कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लूंगी अब मैं एंड आई विल बी हेल्पिंग यू आउट डोंट वरी
Okay, ma'am.
so this seems to be a very big question so you should remember BODMAS what you should remember for solving this question BODMAS means bracket then off then division then multiplication addition and last is subtraction. This is the order we should follow. Like if there are multiple operation, you can see there is subtraction, there is division. Can you see on the screen there are multiple operations going on. There is addition and there is multiplication. So in which order should I do this operation? So the order which you should do is bracket.
Yes.
First, you should deal with bracket, then off, division,
Okay.
multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So when you look at all the operation, I need to deal with division first. So I will be dealing with division first. So 7 divided by, I'm just opening this bracket. So it is minus 2 plus 3 into minus 4. So I am just doing this division operation first. So if I divide minus 8 and minus 2, you
Yes.
can just do it in your rough work minus 8 and minus 2. If you divide it, then it is 4. Okay, so you should write 7 plus 4 plus 3 into minus 4.
Yes, ma'am.
So after division, I should do multiplication. So when you look at the multiplication of plus 3 and minus 4, it should be plus 3. If I multiply it with minus 4, it should be minus 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when you solve it, now I have to do addition. 7 plus 4 is 11 minus 12.
Ma'am, minus 1.
Minus 1 is the final answer.
Ma'am, can you just wait a minute?
Yeah, I can wait. Please write it down.
Okay.
So you should apply BODMAS rule. BODMAS says bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So I have started with division. So division कौन से number का होना है -8 and -2. So division of -8 and -2 is +4. Then I go to multiplication. So +3 into -4 is -12. Then I go to addition. 7 plus 4 is 11 minus 12. In this way, you need to follow step-by-step approach.
Okay, ma'am.
Rakshita, are you able to follow? Can we proceed to the next if both of you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next sum, I'm writing it. So I will be writing
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj?
Ma'am, can you tell me, ma'am, what's this? Ma'am, this.
Yes. There are three types of brackets, Samraj. One is this is called simple bracket. This is called square bracket, and this is called curly bracket.
Okay, ma'am.
Simple bracket, square bracket, and this is called curly
Bracket.
bracket.
Ma'am, they all mean the same now, or the curly bracket means something else?
All means different. So this is basically the way of showing their priority. Like if we have all the three brackets, then we have to first solve this simple bracket. Their preference is number one. We need to solve them first. Then comes
Oh,
this square bracket, then comes this curly bracket.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this also we have to use board mass now.
Yeah, we need to use BODMAS everywhere. So B stands for bracket. So I need to deal with bracket first. So if you look, I need to deal with the simple bracket first. Okay, and if you look in the simple bracket, there is addition, there is multiplication, there is subtraction. So if I look at, so I can check that multiplication have highest priority among addition, subtraction. So we need to move step by step. See, I will be telling you. So I have just taken the difficult ones so that you got an understanding.
Is this question 9 or it is the 9 part of the question?
Part of the question, that is 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I will be dealing with each and every bracket. So first of all, we will be dealing with the first bracket. So inside the bracket, you can see addition is there, multiplication is there, subtraction is there. So we will be first doing multiplication because BODMAS says multiplication has more priority over addition and subtraction.
Okay, ma'am.
So 8, 6 into 2 is 12. So I will be writing 12 like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So if I move to the next step, 8 plus 12 is addition will be done afterwards. 20, 8 plus 12 is 20 minus 16. So I have to first finish with one bracket. Then I can move to the next. So if I finish 20 minus 16 will give me 4. So I am done now. So now if you look at the next bracket, inside next bracket, there are two operation, negative and division, subtraction and division. So when you take their priority, you see division will be done first. So minus 24 divided by 6. What is the value of minus 424 divided by 4? If I divide minus 24 by 4, 4 6 are 24. So it is minus 6.
And ma'am, this will be 1.
Yes. Inside bracket, you will be getting 1. So 9 minus 1.
Ma'am, 8.
Very good. So final answer which we are getting for this question is 8.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, wait, please.
Yeah, I can.
I'm done.
Okay. So I'm just writing one more question
Okay, ma'am.
of the same pattern, and both of you try now yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please try.
Ma'am, just one thing, ma'am, that you were saying, ma'am, what were the name of the brackets after the simple brackets?
This is called simple bracket where I have moving my pen,
Yes, ma'am.
and this is called curly bracket.
Yes, ma'am.
Then this is called square bracket.
Yes. Ma'am, you said that we have to do the curly bracket at the last, ma'am, but the square bracket includes the curly brackets too.
See here, I am just giving you hint, Samraj. So hint is you should look for the pair. You should deal with simple bracket. Then the next pair
Yes,
is
ma'am.
like curly bracket. Then the last is square one. Can you see they are one inside another? So we should start from the inside one and then move outside.
Okay, ma'am.
Samraj, have you written the question? Because see, I need to break the meeting and then I'm just connecting. Let's say in I disconnect and connect. It is likewise. I'm disconnecting and connecting.
Okay, ma'am, I have written the question.
Okay.